Small businesses often struggle to find ways to increase their revenue and build a loyal customer base. Square, the popular payment processor, offers a solution through their subscription service, making it easy for small businesses to offer recurring payments to customers. What is Square Subscriptions? Square Subscriptions is a service that allows small businesses to set up recurring payments for their customers. This service integrates with Square's point-of-sale system, making it easy for businesses to manage payments, track customer information, and see the progress of their subscription program. The benefits of Square Subscriptions are: 1. Increased revenue. By offering subscriptions, small businesses can generate predictable revenue, allowing them to better plan for the future and grow their business. 2. Customer loyalty. Subscriptions create a sense of commitment from customers, leading to increased loyalty and repeat business. 3. Ease of use. Square Subscriptions is user-friendly and integrates with Square's point-of-sale system, making it easy for businesses to set up and manage subscriptions. And 4. Data tracking. Square Subscriptions provides businesses with data and insights on their subscription program, allowing them to make informed decisions and improve their program over time. So there you have it. Yes, Square does offer subscriptions, and it's the perfect solution for small businesses looking to increase their revenue and build customer loyalty. Don't wait. Click the link below to sign up for a free Square account today and start taking advantage of this amazing service. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.